What's the meaning of catchphrase? Catchphrase. Catchphrase.
Catchphrase. Catchphrase. A catchphrase is a memorable phrase or expression that is commonly associated with a particular person, product, or brand. It serves as a powerful marketing tool by helping to build brand recognition and consumer loyalty. Catchphrases are often used in advertising campaigns, television shows, movies, and other forms of media to create a lasting impression on the audience. They can be humorous, thought-provoking, or inspirational, and are designed to stick in the minds of consumers long after they have heard them. Catchphrases can also be used to express a particular attitude or idea that is central to a brand or product.